Assalamualaikum dears, this is Nazia ma'am. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Today we are going to see British literature. Under that, one more prose. See, yesterday we saw popular superstitions by Addison. The same under that one more experience of Addison with Will Wimble. The name of the person is Will Wimble. So yesterday we saw about the experience of Addison with uh, his friend Steele. Now here we are going to see the experience of Addison with his friend Sir Roger, to whom one person was getting more attracted. The name of that person is Will Wimble. So now we are going to see the popular we are going to see Will Wimble selections from The Spectator. So, The Tatler is the first periodical introduced by Addison, as I have already told you, and later it was replaced by Steele and named as Spectator. So, here all the experience of Addison. So, Addison and Steele. As I told you that we saw the experience of Addison with the popular superstitions, how the persons are entered into the false belief and they are ruining their life, they are making their false mindset. So this is one of the experience of Addison we saw. And in this section, we are going to see the experience of Addison with a person, Will Wimble. The person, Will Wimble, actually friend of Sir Roger Coverley. So, we'll start. Now, the introduction part. Addison introduction. So, as I have already given you the introduction of Addison in my last video lecture, in Popular Superstitions by Addison and C. So, you look after that intro part. Okay, the same. Now, about the lesson. So, what this lesson, Will Wimble selections from the Spectator, deals about? This lesson deals about the Addison sharing his experience with us when he sees Sir Roger, as I have told you, friend of. Now Addison sharing his experience with us when he sees Sir Roger, as I have already told you, friend of Addison, during morning walk before his house. So during morning walk, when they are going for a morning walk, the two people met. That is, Addison met with Sir Roger, and the two people started a conversation. That's saying hi, hello, how about your health, something, the basic sharing. Okay. Then on that particular spot, a person, a country fellow, brought Sir Roger a big fish with a letter to Mr. Roger. With a letter to Mr. Roger. So the letter was from the person Will Wimble. Okay, as I have already told you, Will Wimble. So how Will Wimble came into contact with Addison? How Will Wimble came into contact with Addison here? So how he came to know about Will Wimble? So on the during the morning walk, when he met Sir Roger, Sir Roger got a big fish with a letter from to Mr. Roger. So the letter is from Will Wimble. Actually, Will Wimble was in close contact with Sir Roger. Okay, but Addison was strongly influenced from Will Wimble. So, the letter shows that Will Wimble sent a fish to him and asked Roger to dine with him. Will want to meet Wimble want to meet Roger and stay with him for a week. So, what the letter says means, Will want to spend a leisure time with Roger and even one dinner with Roger. will want to meet Roger and stay with him for a week. What is the purpose of staying with Roger means he want to learn how to catch fish and how to play in the river. So as Will was very much interested, has a great talent of catching fish, but even though he has a talent of catching fish, he want to spend time with Mr. Roger and try to learn from Mr. Roger how to catch the fish and how to play in that river. Will said that he will brought him a dozen of lashes for the horses, and even Will has put a line in the letter that he will brought a dozen of lashes for the horses as a gift, as a token of gift to Mr. Roger. Will explain about his busy days with the eldest son of Sir John. So Sir John, a person to whom Sir John's eldest son, to whom Will was taking care. So to whom Will was taking care and spending a whole days, and that his days was very busy and he unable to give time to others as he has a very busy schedule of taking care of Sir John's eldest son. So, when Addison saw the message in the letter, he feels very curious to know about Will Wimble. So, basically, when we came to know about a good person, when we came to know about a person was devoting his whole life busy with all the other people's, not with the family members. So, we have some kind of strange thinking in our mind that how this Wimble was. Definitely, Nadia. See, we are seeing the lesson that a person named Will Wimble passing a letter to Sir Roger and asking that Roger to dine with him, and even he want to spend a week with Mr. Roger in order to share something, in order to learn how to catch fish, how to play in the river. And even for that, even though he has given a very huge big fish for dinner, but also he will bring a dozen of lashes for the horses in order to that Mr. Roger can serve for the society. என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, வில் விம்பிள் அ பர்சன், ஒரு சாதாரணமான பர்சன் தான், பட் ஹேவிங் அ கிரேட் தாட் ஆஃப் ஹெல்பிங் அதர்ஸ். அவங்க அதுக்கிட்ட என்ன ஒரு திங்கிங்னா, மற்றவங்களுக்கு சர்வ் பண்ணுறது, மற்றவங்களுக்கு சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்கறது. அவங்க ஃபேமிலிக்கு விட்டுட்டு மற்ற எல்லாருக்கும் பார்க்குறாங்கன்னா அது என்ன ரீசன்? அடிசனுக்கு அது மைண்டில் ஒரு இன்டென்ஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு. அப்படி என்ன தான் இருக்கும், இவன் எல்லாத்துக்கும் விட்டுட்டு இப்படி ஒரு க்யூரியாசிட்டி மற்றவங்களுக்கு பார்க்குறதுக்கு அந்த மைண்டில் இருக்கே, அது என்னவா இருக்கும்? அவ்வளோ லவ், அவ்வளோ கைண்ட்னஸ், அவ்வளோ பொலைட்னஸ் வில் விம்பிள் கிட்டே இருக்கே, அது எதுக்காக இருக்கும்? வை அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஃபேமிலி இவங்க இப்படி பண்ணுறாங்களா, இல்லை ஃபேமிலி இல்லாத இப்படி பண்ணுறாங்களா? எதுக்காக வில் விம்பிள் எல்லாருக்கும் சர்வ் பண்ணுறாங்க, யாரோட சன்னுக்கும் பார்க்குறாங்க, லைஃப் பிஸியாக வச்சுக்கிறாங்க, எதுக்காக? இவ்வளோ ஒரு கிரேட் பர்சன் இருக்காங்களே, ஏன் இவங்களோட டேலண்ட் வெளியே வரல? So Addison was again surprising that why this talented person have not come out with his talent and cannot be a good person and cannot be a well-versed guy and cannot be a discovered person. Why he cannot be distinguished by others? Because if a person was helping a society, definitely that person will become a spot, that person will become a name, become with a great name and fame. The person will become a very popular one. So everybody will respect them, everybody will care them, because he has a capacity to deal with the society in a social way and in a manner, with a good manner, and providing lots and lots of funds, taking care to the society. Definitely இப்போல்லாம் கவுன்சிலர் எல்லாம் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க இல்லையா, அவங்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ஸ்ட்ரீட்டுக்காக அவங்க சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. என்ன சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க? இது வேணாலும் நம்ம ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம்னா நம்ம போய் அவங்கக்கிட்ட சொல்கிறோம், அண்ட் டெஃபினெட்லி தேல் டூ தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் அஸ். அண்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், இங்கே ரொம்ப நல்லவங்க, அவங்க நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிறாங்க, சொசைட்டியை நல்லா டீல் பண்ணுறாங்க, எல்லாமே க்ளீனாக வச்சுக்கிறாங்க, அப்படியெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு டெஃபினட்டாக நம்ம திங்க் பண்ணிவிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு வந்து நம்ம ரெஸ்பெக்ட் கொடுக்குவோம். எப்போவுமே வந்து திஸ் இஸ் our thinking ability, that is our thinking capacity, that we cannot avoid those persons giving respect. So the same thing happens. ஸோ இப்போ வந்து அவங்க வந்து சொசைட்டிக்கு சர்வ் பண்ணுறாங்க இல்லையா, சொசைட்டிக்கு சர்வ் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கே அவ்வளோ ரெஸ்பெக்ட் நம்மளுக்கு வருதுன்னா, இவங்க வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. வில் விம்பிள் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்களா, எல்லாருக்கும் அவங்களோட கைண்ட்னஸ்லேயே அவங்களோட ஹெல்ப்பிங் டெண்டன்சியில் எல்லாருக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க. இப்போது கவுன்சிலர்னால் ஓட்டு போட்டு அவங்களுக்கு கவுன்சிலர் பண்ணிடுறோம், ஆனால் அதுக்கு வந்து அவங்களுக்கு பொசிஷன் கொடுக்குறோம். But this Will Wimble வந்து does not care about any position, but working for the people, serving for the people, and making his days as a busy days in helping others. அங்கே வந்து இவங்க டேஸ் வந்து பிஸியாக வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. எதுக்காகன்னா அவங்க வந்து மற்றவங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அவங்க பிஸி ஆகுறாங்க. அது நேச்சர் வந்து அட்ராக்டட் Addison, and definitely Addison want to know about Will Wimble. So he explained about his busy days with the eldest son of Mr. John. When Addison saw the message in the letter that where he feels very curious to know about Will Wimble, Addison was very much attracted towards the quality and character of Will Wimble. Addison வந்து வில் விம்பிளோட அந்த சர் ராகர் வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறாங்க. வில் விம்பிள் வந்து அவங்க டேஸ் பிஸியாக வச்சுக்கிறது, அவங்களுக்கு கிஃப்ட் எடுத்துகிட்டு வரேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது, அதுவும் அவங்க இப்போ வந்து எதுக்காக பிஸி இருக்கிறாங்கன்னு ரீசன் சொல்கிறது, அதுவும் நான் உங்ககிட்ட வந்து இது கற்றுக்கணும்னு சொல்கிறது. ஆல்ரெடி அ டேலண்டட் பர்சன் வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் மோர் டேலண்ட் ஃப்ரம் தட் பர்சன். அதுக்காக வந்து Addison was very much attracted towards the quality of Will Wimble. The way he communicated with Roger stays Addison speechless. The written communication which he sends to Will sends to Mr. Roger, அது பார்த்த உடனே அவங்க வந்து ஸ்பீச்லெஸ் ஆகிட்டாங்க. என்ன இப்படி ஒரு கேரக்டரா, இப்படி ஒரு குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் ஹியூமனா எப்படி இருப்பாங்க, நம்மளுக்கு ஆசை வரும் இல்லையா? Definitely, if we heard about a person which was beyond their quality, definitely we want to meet that person. So it is our mindset, definitely a mindset of a common people. So Addison has a strong desire of meeting Will and wants to know about his story of living. And now Addison has built a strong desire. அதுக்கு வந்து ஆசை வந்தது, எப்படியாவது வில் கிட்ட மீட் பண்ணணும் and know how his story of living, எப்படி அவங்க வாழ்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு அவங்களோட ஹிஸ்ட்ரி தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படி. Will, a person of helping hand, serving for the people. Will has a strong ability of catching hearts of the people, which make Addison having the sense of meeting him once. Definitely, when he came to know about the good quality of Will from Mr. Roger, definitely Addison has a curiosity of meeting him at least once to know how this person catching the hearts of others in a very smooth, in a very kind way, showing love and affection towards them. So this lesson showed the concept of being humble, kind, and polite. The main theme involved in this lesson is the concept of being humble, kind, and polite, of catching hearts of others. But the conflicts breaks them innerly as they unable to show to the world. So even though the people are having a humble heart, kindness, politeness, but something is lacking in there, some differences are there which are innerly, which are inbuilt in them, but they are not showing to the people whom they are caring. They are not sharing their worriness. They are making that worries, they are making their sadness in their heart itself. They are immersing in the heart itself. They are not showing off. It has been put in the heart in such a way, in a very fine packed, it has been packed finely in the heart itself. They won't show the conflicts which has been faced by Will. So definitely it's a normal thing. So if a person having a strong desire, having a, even though the person is humble, even though the person is kind, even though the person is very polite, lovely nature, sympathy, showing sympathy to others, but there is something which has been innerly uh, damaging him, which he cannot show to the world, as they don't want to show to the world. Because if we show something, if we show some worriness to them, definitely it start creating the worriness again and again and again. இப்போ என்னன்னா, நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்கிறது நம்ம வந்து மறைச்சி வைக்கிறது தான் நல்லது. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம வந்து நல்லா இருக்கோம், நம்ம பீப்புளோட ஹார்ட்ல இருக்கோம், அவங்க வந்து நம்மளுக்கு நல்லா கேர் பண்ணுறாங்க, தே ஆர் லவ்விங் அஸ், தே ஆர் கேரிங் அஸ். அதே மாதிரி தான் இப்போ வந்து நாம் வந்து வேறு இவங்களுக்கு கேர் பண்ணுறோம், அவங்களுக்கு நம்ம வந்து சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குறோம், அவங்க வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்காக அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அட்ராக்ட் ஆகிடும். எதுக்காக நம்மக்கிட்ட இருக்கிறது வரினஸ், நம்மக்கிட்ட இருக்கிறது சேட்னஸ் அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லி எதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு டிஸப்பாயிண்ட் பண்ணுறோம். திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ அ குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் வில் விம்பிள். He don't want to show his worriness, he don't want to show his conflicts which has been inbuilt in him to the world in order to disappoint those persons to whom he is taking care. அப்படினு சொல்றேன். Okay, when spending his life devoting to the peoples of this society, this also reflects the society background which never cares for the good people. So what he thinks, he never cares for whatever the background he is, what is his what is the relation he is running with his family, how the family members are behaving with him, how he is caring to his family, and how the family members cares him. Is he happy, is he sad, he never cares, but he devoting his whole life to the people, in taking care, in giving some gifts to them, and which reflects the society. But the nature, the lovely nature was inbuilt in them, and then the conflicts, the worriness, the sadness also hidden in him, which he don't want to show to the people, in order as because he don't want to disappoint those people to whom he take care whole day, whom he was busy with them all the day, to whom he is busy, which makes him busy always. So the desire will become hopeless, their whole life spent with serving and taking care of them. This lesson throws the light on the society background of the familial issues, which finally makes will to be alone rather than a family. So the desires, if a person has strong desires in at first we will a person is having a strong desire. If that desires become hopeless, definitely we have little bit disappointment in us. நம்ம ஹோப் வந்து நம்ம ஏதாவது எதிர்பார்க்குறது நம்மளுக்கு நடக்கலைன்னா, நம்மளோட டிசையர் வந்து அங்கேயே நின்று போச்சுன்னா, டெஃபினட்டாக நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஃபீலிங் வந்துடும். அது வந்து ஃபீலிங்கோட இருந்தால் லைஃப் வந்து நல்லா இருக்காது. If we are throwing out the feeling and making our life settled and serving and taking care of ourselves in such a way that we are devoting our whole life to other persons, will வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, என்ன ஒரு டிஸப்பாயின்ட்மெண்ட், எந்த ஒரு ஹோப் இல்லாத ஒரு லைஃப் இருந்தாலும், டிசையர்ஸ் அவங்களுக்கும் டிசையர்ஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அவங்களுக்கும் ஒரு ஆசை இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த ஆசை இருந்தால் அந்த ஆசை வந்து நிறைவேறல, the desires will become hopeless. Even though the desires become hopeless, even though he has no good life, good familial background, and he has definitely family issues with the family members, but he don't want to show this to others. On behalf, he has taken a step of devoting his whole life to the society peoples rather than the family peoples. Even though he is alone, but he is not showing that he is alone. He is sad, but he is not showing his sadness. He showing his happiest face to all in order to catch their hearts, in order to make their life a busy one. This lesson deals with Addison's first hearing about will. So what we are going to deal in this lesson. So the first thing here is Addison first hearing about. This lesson deals with Addison first hearing about will. Next, Will's letter. What the Sir Roger has. That is, a guy, a countryman, brought a letter from Wills to Sir Roger. So Will's background, how Wills deals about from to his family, how the family members are dealing with him. Then comes the Will's personality. What is the Will's personality? How he developed his personality of serving others. Next, the dinner time to which Will Wimble invited Sir Roger. Addison's observation regarding Will's attitude. So, these are all the points which we are going to cover in our next video lecture, in our next class. Okay, so up to this I have finished the intro part which I have already given to you regarding about the lesson. I have listed out the character of Will Wimble and how Addison was attracted towards Will Wimble, how these days of Will Wimbles are going on, and how the quality of Will Wimble, what are the important points of what are the characteristic points of Will Wimble which attracted the society, and how the Will Wimble has the capacity of catching the hearts of the other peoples, and finally why he devoted the whole life to the not to the family, to the society, and making his days busy always. So this and all we have seen. So in detail we will see in our next video lecture. So till that, you do one assignment. Dear, write an assignment about what you have understand from the Will's character. So I need your own view, how you are attracted towards Will. You write it in your own way. Write 15 to 20 lines. It's more than enough. Submit it to me. And if you have any problem in understanding my video lecture, put your comments in the comment section. Definitely I'll listen to you, and submit your assignment in your own way of writing. Don't copy from your guide or anything else. Just you look at this PPT what I have teach you today. You make a note of it and you produce your own view, how you understood Will's character up to this. I didn't explain you detail. Definitely I'll explain you in my next video lecture, that is inshallah tomorrow. But before that, I need your view up to this, what you have understood about Will's character. Okay, I'm hoping you that you will definitely submit your assignment before I posting you the next class. So waiting for your answer. Thank you for your patience listening. Thanks again. Stay blessed.